To decorate macarons to look like pumpkin pie, use orange color macaron batter and draw triangles on top of a baking sheet. Then, fill it in. If you have a little bit of batter left over, you can just pipe some circle macarons. Next, use white color macaron batter and pipe on top of the orange triangle like this. If you want to, you can sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin pie spice on top of each macaron. Let the macarons sit for about 30 minutes and then bake them in a preheated oven. Oven temperatures and times vary. Let the macarons cool completely before removing it from the baking sheet. Then add the filling and use a brown edible marker to decorate the white part of the macaron. This is the pie crust. What is your favorite Thanksgiving food? Please leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.